Now, from the downtown of Northwest Arkansas, in Uptown Rogers, with weather from Bentonville to Fayetteville, Fort Smith, and beyond, here's Oz weather meteorologist, Garrett Lewis.
All right, guys, we have made it to the weekend, and man, we've got some rain chances and lower temperatures. Best thing to ask for the weekend, right? Well, if you have some outdoor events, you're going to be ducking some showers, but all of us will experience cooler than temperatures and finally some much needed rainfall. This is a live look out the window out towards Winslow as the sun comes up. They're still in that construction up and down 49 or redoing some of the paving there. Have y'all been stuck in this traffic yet? Goodness gracious. The latter half of the day, once you get towards drive time, this stuff gets slow north and southbound as they continue that work. As far as the temperatures go this morning, when you're stepping out the front door, we're in the 60s and 70s, close to about 72 out in Fayetteville, mid 70s to the south, and mid and upper 60s to the north. We're 66 degrees right now in Rogers. There is some rain out there. I've been watching a little bit out there in central Oklahoma. You can see that front that's moved to the south. That's actually squashing the high. And as the high moves south, the rain chances will start to move up, at least in our area. Southern Oklahoma has a few showers out there now, and the chances for rain start picking up later today, but really ramp up on Saturday and especially Sunday. Sunday's the day I think most of us are going to get some rain out of this thing. Okay, so let's go hour by hour and give you an idea of what this looks like as far as the forecast goes. This is right now, so Friday morning, we've got some showers in southeast Oklahoma, right? So the rest of the afternoon, we've got some rain here and there, no big deal. This is all the way through 6 or 7. Most of us stay fairly dry throughout the day today. We don't get that much. Overnight into Saturday morning, here comes the first complex. This is moving in about 5 or 6 in the morning. Notice, though, as it gets into Arkansas, it fades. That's because we're approaching daybreak, and these complexes really like the overnight hours and first part of the day. So some of this will drift into the area to Saturday morning, but it will be fading as it arrives and moves east. This is Saturday about 1 o'clock, and then Saturday afternoon we get scattered redevelopment. This is Saturday coming up close to about 7 or 8 with scattered showers in the area. But watch what happens Saturday night into Sunday. Another complex starts to develop to the west. That one moves in, and that one's got some heavier rain with some thunderstorms. This is Sunday morning at about 7. So another chance of rain Sunday morning, and then those rain chances should continue into Sunday afternoon. This is Sunday at about 1. So you can see we have several waves of rain on the way this weekend. Thank goodness, we certainly need it, and it looks like we'll get it. And the several repeated rounds should lead to rainfall totals somewhere right around an inch or so on average. Lowest to the south, highest to the north, close to about 2.5 inches up there around Springfield, Missouri, and Little Rock may only get about a quarter of an inch out of this thing. Places like Benton County may get an inch, inch and a half. Fort Smith, an inch or just under an inch of rainfall. So right around an inch or so as this rain starts to make its way in around that high. The problem is the high doesn't stay to the south. You knew it expand back north, right? So by next Tuesday and Wednesday, it's back overhead. That means as the kids go back to school next week, we're back into the mid and the low 90s. The trick this time, though, is after the recent rains, there'll be more humidity. So the heat index will be higher by the middle and the end of next week. But hey, we'll take the rain and we'll take the break from the heat. It looks awesome as we settle into the next 2 days. If you like cooler temperatures, a little more clouds, and some rainfall in the backyard. Have a great weekend, guys. Let's catch you back next time.